How to recover Trust Wallet private key. So, first, you must obtain your wallet's recovery phase in order to obtain your private key on Trust Wallet. So, how are you going to do that? You just have to open your settings and then select wallets. That is the main option or feature above. So, as you can see here, if you tap this wallet right here, it will show the multi-coin wallet. So, you have to click the wallet that you want to choose by tapping this three dots. For example, main wallet 4, tap three dots, and then click this Google Drive, a backup now. Now you have to enter your passcode. As you can see, it is totally blocked here for privacy purposes. So once you enter your passcode, then you will see here your recovery phase. So all you have to do is just simply write down or copy these words in right order and save them somewhere else safe. Copy and then paste it somewhere. And that's it. As soon as you create a multi-coin wallet, your recovery phase is generated automatically. As soon as you can, you should back up your recovery phase. So pen and paper backups of your wallet using your recovery phase or private key are the most reliable method. At that point, no internet service can obtain your wallet detail. You can also screenshot this one. So you have to copy this one and paste, or you can just simply get your pen and then write it down. As easy as that. Okay, so that's how easy it is to recover your Trust Wallet private key. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.